Oscar, buddy, you excited to get a new car today, dude? Yeah, new whip. Now, most of you guys already know this, but I love my puppy, Oscar. He's the bestest floof to ever exist. Just look at him. Oscar, you're the bestest. I bought him a Ford Focus RS last year. It's got 400 horsepower. I guess that just wasn't enough. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. That is right. I have bought Oscar a new truck. It has 525 horsepower. It's spacious. It's got all the new technology, anything and everything you could ever want. Only the best for the best. Also, it is paint to sample Oscar white fluff. That's right, dude. Paint to sample. Yeah. My appointment at the dealership is at 2 p.m. It's currently noon, so we got 2 hours to kill. The 4GT update, it has not sold. The Supra also is still available. The Focus RS, I was gonna trade this in for Oscar's new truck. I've decided to sell it on my own, $32,000. First person who wants it, come and get it. Oscar hates this, but you guys are gonna love it. Cold startup, Borla exhaust, Focus RS. It's very, very loud. It's a straight pipe Focus RS, Borla exhaust, both of those downpipe. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's very loud. There's been so many changes on the channel as far as cars, but somehow, someway, the Rolls Royce has lived to tell the story. Our first stop is here at JP Morgan Chase because, yes, unfortunately, we do actually have to pay for the new truck. We need to get a cashier's check for $95,757.50. Oh, Oscar. We got the cashier's check, but I noticed this Ford Explorer, the license plate is Amanda. I wonder if we could get Oscar. Whoa, nobody better steal the Oscar vanity plate. If you live in Utah and you steal that plate, I'm not gonna be happy. Also, if you don't follow Oscar on Instagram, link below. Welcome here to Emotive Direct. The new truck is right behind that garage door. I know what you guys are thinking. This isn't even gonna be a surprise. I bought a Raptor or I bought a 450, blah, blah, blah. It's just a Ford truck. And that's kind of sort of true, but I kind of sort of snaked you guys. I did buy a Ford truck, but not just any Ford truck. The new truck is right behind that door. Welcome to Emotive Direct. Is up, dude? How's it going?
Doing well.
Good to see ya. You guys remember Adam? We were here 5 years ago. OGs of OGs, black LP Gallardo, but behind that door is something just a little more exciting.
Yeah, you want to take a look?
Yeah, let's do it. In the back vault of Emotive Direct, no, I did not buy the Porsche Cayman S, but how sick is this showroom? Like, the lighting is unbelievable. I know, I'm delaying. I'm looking at the truck right now. You guys are gonna be completely blown away. This is a bit of a surprise. We bought a Ford truck, but not just any Ford truck. We bought a Raptor, but not just any Raptor, boys. We bought a Shelby Baja Raptor. That's right, boys. 2018 Shelby Baja Raptor. This is pretty much the sickest Raptor you can buy, that money can buy. Check this out. Finished, we're gonna call it an Oscar White. It has every single light bar imaginable. It's got the full Shelby pack. We're talking 525 horsepower. Oscar obviously couldn't make the journey, but I think he's gonna like the truck just by a smidge. If you're not familiar with the Shelby Raptor, this is the Raptor that Shelby built to embarrass every single other Raptor before it. If you own a Raptor, I don't mean that in a negative way. This thing is an absolute monster. A stock Raptor has a 3.5 liter twin turbocharged V6. It's kind of sort of a baby V6. I realize the new Ford GT has the same V6. Shelby has tuned this to 525. I'm not gonna say we're gonna Hennessy swap this with a V8. We might not. I'm not really sure. The Shelby Raptor has an absolute overload of light bars. Every single light bar you could imagine is on this Shelby. You got the massive air intakes there on the aftermarket hood. This thing is a beast. This has every single option we could ever need, as well as another bunch of options we don't need. All the carbon fiber galore. 19,485 miles. This thing is crazy. We're gonna jump it soon. Not today, we will jump it though. Whoa, this is so cool. This is crazy. This is like my dream garage setup. Check that out. Are you kidding me? It's got the full moonroof right there. You got the black stripes. So here's what I'm thinking. It's currently a metallic white. Imagine this in satin white with purple racing stripes. That would be pretty, I'm not wrong, that would be cool. You have to admit, I don't think we're gonna go full purple because the Gladiator is full purple. I don't know if I want two massive purple chucks, but satin white with purple stripes, maybe? Let me know what you think in the comments below. How sick is this showroom right here? You got the center turntable right there. You guys might remember, I think it was maybe 5 years ago, I came here with my Gallardo. Adam had a black LP Gallardo for sale and we spun him around the turntable. Super, super cool. If you guys remember that video, you're like the OG of the OG. I am gonna link that video below. You might cringe though, that was a long time ago. I wasn't very natural on camera. If you do go watch it, please don't make fun of me in the comments below. But if you guys are looking for a cool car, check out Emotive Direct. Adam specializes in all sorts of cool cars, especially Porsches. You can see like this showroom, every single car in here is absolutely pristine. If you want a beautiful collector car, you want to deal with a car guy, check out Adam, one-man operation, just like my YouTube channel. These cars are so sick. This Raptor though, oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Check out Emotive Direct. Link below, emotivedirect.com. You got the Cayman S, you got the 993 right here, the 964 right there, got another cool Porsche back there, and then check out this hot rod. I don't want to ruin the surprise. This may or may not be reserved for Mr. Berlacher. Obviously, he would look ridiculous riding around in this thing. We were here yesterday. We actually test drove the Shelby yesterday. Nick does actually fit in this thing. And check out that purple interior, too. What have we done? This thing is an absolute monster. The Shelby Baja Raptor. When I first saw that Adam had this for sale, I knew before even getting here that I had to buy it. There's only 500 of these in the entire world. Just look at that view straight on. We're just gonna be embarrassing every single other Raptor owner. I'm sorry, we are, look at it. So the Focus RS, I'm just leaving it here for the afternoon. I'm gonna come pick it up. I did not sell it, it is available, but Shelby Baja Raptor life begins right now. We're not jumping it today, trust me, well, we might. We might jump it this afternoon, more to come. I was gonna buy a Raptor or a 450, and then I found this one at Emotive Direct. It's got 20,000 miles on it. It's the same price as a new Raptor or a 450, but it's a Shelby Baja Raptor. We got the full custom interior, the custom rack with the spare BF Goodrich tires. We got 2 in the back, we got 1 underneath. If we went Baja racing, like competitively, not that we're going to, but if we wanted to, we could get up to 3 flats and still continue on with the race. I don't know what this thing weighs. It must be 6,000 pounds. We don't have launch control, but like foot to the floor, this thing takes off. I feel invincible. I could drive over anything, like winter apocalypse, like snow apocalypse, end of the world apocalypse, any kind of apocalypse, we could conquer it in the Shelby Baja Raptor. We could drive over anything. We don't want to drive over anything, but if we wanted to, we could. And that's just nice knowing. If today's video gets 249,000 likes, I will drive my Shelby Raptor right over the Rolls-Royce limo, the Berlacher's limo. It's not my limo, so be sure to smash that like button if you want to see that. I might have to do it anyways. We'll kind of sort of see what happens. What is going on? This is terrible. That is absolutely atrocious. I don't know if they make an exhaust for this, but if they do, we got to get it ASAP. This truck has so much presence. You got the rear steel bumper, the black exhaust tips, the LED lights. We could tow. We're never gonna, I mean, if we had to tow, we could. We never will, but we could. You got the full tire rack, the BF Goodrich tires. You got another full tire back there as well. You got the LED lights up top. This thing, power running boards as well. And just look at the front of this Shelby Raptor. Imagine that in your rear view mirror. We need to park the GT next to it, just because. That's a proper sounding Ford. I don't know about this EcoBoost. I realize the new Ford GT has the EcoBoost, but a supercharged V8, I mean, it sounds better. The Ford Motor Car Company has never paid me a single dime. I'm just out here repping the brand. They rejected me on my GT application, but what a combo is that? It'd be pretty cool if the Shelby also had the blue stripes, but at the same time, I really, really like these black stripes. I know I was joking about purple stripes, but the satin black looks awesome. Also, you get a sense of the scale. This Raptor is massive, absolutely massive. Reverse, we got all the fancy cameras. We don't have 240,000 likes. Smash that like button. If you guys want to see me drive over the limo in the Shelby Baja Raptor, smash that like button. Berlacher owns the limo. I haven't actually cleared this with him, but given his disdain for the limo, pretty sure he'll be okay with it. I don't know how to say this, but I told the viewers if we get 200,000 likes, I can drive over the limo in the Raptor. Yay,
200.
nay, 240,000.
What do you get, 2,000 likes on average? Yeah, that sounds good. I'm good with that.
We're averaging 13.6 miles to the gallon. We got the 10-speed transmission. We could theoretically downshift 10 times, but we're headed to Texas Roadhouse. Dun, 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 dun.
I want to see it.
What?
I want to see 10 shift. Down.
Well, we got all this traffic, all this nonsense and garbage.
Blah, blah, blah. Also 13 gallons, whatever, miles. 10, baby, in the Hummer.
We got the new Toyota Z4 right there in roadster form too. Not bad. Okay, that was a bad joke, I'm hungry. This is bad news bears. We got a 30-minute wait, we got an hour wait. Look at all the, bro.
An hour, bro. An hour, I can't wait an hour. I can't, what do you got? I'll even do Outback if you have to. These are the important decisions in life.
How long is it?
30 minutes.
I knew it, I knew it. There's Olive Garden over there.
Well, I want a steak. I'm willing to wait it out. How do you feel?
Yeah, we can wait.
Ooh, baby. Look at that.
Ooh, don't hit. Ooh, don't hit.
Careful, careful, bro. Look at that. Look at that. America. Oh, you gotta fix? You gotta adjust? Yeah. Look. He doesn't even know how to keep it in the lines. Look at that. Our boy's gotta learn how to drive a truck, that's for sure. We gotta get it in the lines. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Wishy-washy. Oh. You see, there's a line. When you have that much room, it's got to tell you.
These parking spaces are all a disaster. Okay, that space doesn't make sense. It's illogical. Let me fix my, anyway.
Take two.
No, it's actually take three.
Take three.
Remember, I pulled in, then I backed up.
Yeah. Yeah. Take three. Okay, over. Yeah, we're gonna put them on the line just a little, because that truck is in the way, and there's plenty of room here. So this was an intentional maneuver. I think you have too much fun with those lights.
The old people behind you are not this right now.
I mean, why would they be?
I think we need to leave. I know you need your steak, bro.
No.
I
just got a text. That's the steak. I just got a text.
If there's any Ford executives watching today's video, I'm hooking you up. We got General Motors, we got this Dodge wannabe, and look at that Ford Raptor. You guys haven't paid me a penny. Like, please sponsor my channel. Ford Raptor flexing on the nation. I sold my Corvette. I bought another Ford. Maybe I need a Viper though.
Oh,
Oscar, you're a good boy, bud. Oscar, look at your new truck. Turn around, bud. It's right behind you. Oscar, look behind you. It's a new truck. Come check it out. Come on.
Come on. Come get it.
Get in.
Go.
Get in, Oscar. Come on.
Has he peed on the tire yet?
No, he hasn't. He hasn't marked. Come on, Oscar. Get in.
Mark it.
Get in. Check out your new ride.
You gotta flip the seat up for me.
Oh, sorry. Come on, Oscar.
Watch this. Use the step. Go get it.
Come on, those are donuts, dude.
Get it.
Here we go. Oscar, your new truck, dude.
There we go.
Look how spacious. Turn around, dude. Turn around, bud. Look good for the camera. He's eating your donuts, John. All right. Thank you. What do you think of your new truck, dude? Pa? Yeah, you're tired. You just woke up from a nap.
This is a man that has 2.whatever million subs right here. Yeah.
And his favorite friend in the world is 90% Fluff.
I love this dog.
No, I was talking about Nick.
Oh, oh gosh, okay. That is going to effectively end today's video, but if you're sensitive to bright lights, end the video right now because check this out. We are lighting up the beautiful state of Utah. Guys, if there's any mods you guys want to see on the Shelby Raptor, let me know in the comments below. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.